Hello. In this video, we will see how you can manage your uploads. So, to manage your uploads, you need to go to brand and social account in the left side. So, in the left menu, you will get this option here, brand and social account. Now, here in the top, you can see these options: social platform, brand detail, integration. In this, you will find the option for uploads, this option. So, here I can just upload my images using which I want my content to be generated. So, I'll just click on upload assets, and from my local system I can upload few images. So I'll show you. Let us pick two or three. Yeah, I'll click on open, and now it will be uploaded. So like this, I can see that these are the images which I have already uploaded. Now we can just easily use this to create a post. But let's say if I want to delete after adding, maybe I have added something wrong. So I will just select these. Maybe for these three I want to be deleted. I will select this, and here in the top I will click on this delete button. Yeah, it is done. Thank you.